put your cups up, now put your drinks up. If you in the club, yeah, you getting turned up, you getting turned up.
Hey everybody, it's Queen Bee Mary again. Told you I have a video out. It's supposed to be out Friday, but I wasn't feeling too well because of my foot. Anyways, today I'm having a seafood boil. I've got Dungeness crab. I've got actually pork barbecue ribs. I have jasmine rice covered in salsa verde and green onions. I've got mushrooms, mini cucumbers, my cherry tomatoes. I have sausage. I have little things of corn. I have hard-boiled eggs, and I have potatoes. And for the cucumbers and mushrooms and cherry tomatoes, I have my Catalina sauce. Oh, can you bring me the butter inside the microwave? And I'm also using a spread. It's garlic spread for my Dungeness crab to dip in. I do have my lemon juice, and I do have lime juice. Here it is, right there, for the Dungeness crab. And anyways, and to drink today, y'all know I drink a lot of water, so there's my water. I will pour it in my Queen Bee Mary cup here, thermos, that's just full of ice. And for a little drink, I've got me the classic lime margarita Seagram's. And for dessert afterwards, I was gonna do a Boston cream pie, but no, it's too much. I'm gonna do a strawberry cake. So, anyways, so welcome to my channel. Let me say my prayer and we'll dig in. All right, so how's everybody doing today? I'm doing a little better. Like I said, I was supposed to do this Friday, but wasn't feeling too good for my surgery I had on my foot and everything. I think the antibiotics kind of got me nauseous up too, so when I don't eat anything. Trying to get stuff ready to go back to Florida. Going to leave on the 21st of this month. Okay, let's break into this Dungeness crab. And if you guys can, excuse me, I sometimes can't pronounce words right because of my partials. I do wear partials, so I have a hard time. So let's break into this. And yes, I do have Misery with me, my little handsome king. He's laying down next to me. He's been like that with me since I had surgery. He's been right next to me. So, this tastes good with that butter spread. Bring me a paper plate so I can throw the shells on it. I do have my hard-boiled eggs, but one of them fell apart. So, thank you. All right. I love Dungeness crab. It's hard to find. The snow crab right now. Haven't been able to find any snow crab, and it's a little weird. That's a good piece right there. Y'all want a bite of this? Dip it in this garlic spread. There you go. Have a bite. My turn. Yeah, it's so good. I'm sorry if it's too far away, you know, from you seeing me eating this, but gotta deal with what I can deal with right now. Till I get back to Florida, I have a table I sit on and do this. Actually, I'm gonna be in a recliner and get me a table for my lap since my foot's in the situation it is. I love Dungeness crab. So anyways, I will be back. And I guess I'll be back in Florida soon. Leaving the 21st. Got to get all my medical records here sent out over there to the doctors, my foot doctors out there, so they know what happened out here, the surgery and everything, and so on. And I also have to get my healthcare stuff transferred out there too, because they have me on home antibiotics I have to give myself, and I have a nurse that comes once a week. Try this corn in this. I thought, but it's good. And y'all know I won't eat all this. It's just me. Corn is good. Sweet and good. Okay. Ready for some sausage? Mix up my salsa verde and rice here with my green onions. Jasmine rice. Pretty good. So, how's everybody been? I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Hard-boiled eggs, all of them. They are so good. Open this up. This is full of ice. Put some ice water. Put some water in it to have ice water. I love my water more than anything. Oh, ice water tastes good. All right, I'll set that up there. All right, so what should we dig into now? Let's do a piece of sausage. All right. Sausage. I'm gonna dip it in this garlic spread butter. With that. Jasmine rice. It is so good. I like it when I can make my own stuff at home. So right now things are a little tight with my home health care and everything. My insurance is not going to cover everything, so I gotta figure that one out now. But I don't like asking for help, so. I'd rather help people than you get help. I love mushrooms dipped in cannellini sauce. Let's do a cucumber now. bust into this boy, guys. This garlic spread is good. It's really good. Excuse my nails, guys. I haven't been able to get in with my nail tech out here. I've been asking her. And she hasn't replied. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait till I get back to Florida. I'm my new nail tech out there. Do my nails. Be real careful with this. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that looks so good. Dump it in this garlic sauce. Oh, it's so good. Not sure if I'm gonna break into the potatoes or not. Okay. I may save those for Kid Rock. Very good. Doesn't break it right. All right. No. That's for sure. All right. I'm sorry, guys. I just. I'm not too with it today, I guess, huh? I like it done to just grab it. I just feel like I'm having issues with it. Anyways, ooh, meaty. That's going to be meaty right there. Just take this shell off here. This is the one I don't want on there. This is going to poke my nose. Alright, stop. Dip this one in. Yeah, it's really good. That is good. Oh, really good meat right there. Excuse me, I gotta be careful with my foot. Trying to get this open. Excuse me, guys. I gotta stretch my left foot. gonna try using my fork, see if I can get this to open. Ah, there we go. Alright. So be careful with these shells. I don't feel like eating these shells. So we need another reason to go to the hospital, right? Right now, like I said, I'm trying to get back home, and the money I've been waiting for it to hit the bank ain't there. Kind of sucks. I said it was supposed to be there last week, and it's not there. I'm waiting for it this week, and it wasn't there. Now, I gotta wait till next week. If it ain't there, I'm just gonna have to use whatever little bit money I got in my pocket to drive home. And hopefully make it home. I wish that bad luck never started. It started all up in Cali. This is so delicious. Really, really delicious. I love my veggies though. No, when we get back home, I still have 2 people I owe a giveaway to from the last time, from the night before I left Florida for my tour and everything, vacation. I will get those sent out as soon as I get a hold of them and let them know, hey, I'm back. Open up a Seagram's. If you hear TV in the background, it's because Kid Rock watching Ghost Adventures. It was nice. Daniel, can you close the bedroom door?
Yeah.
TV's too loud. And you got another corn. It is good in this butter. More paper cone. So good. I like it. So, what are y'all eating on today? Oh, yeah. It's crazy though when all this happened to my foot. I ended up in Arizona to realize I had blisters on my feet. I'm a pair of Crocs. And I was wearing a pair of socks with them. And I get to my cousin's house and I'm like, blisters? That's weird. I never get blisters on my feet. But apparently I did. And as soon as something happens to my feet, I hurry to go to the doctor's and get it checked out. So I hurry up and went to the doctor's, got it checked out. They sent me to another doctor, which said if I'll take care of them real good myself, she put me on an antibiotic and some iodine. And she goes, well, you're doing a really good job taking care of them. Okay, thanks. But if they get any worse, go to the emergency room. Okay. So A couple of days later, they didn't look like they were getting any better. So I went to this kind of like an emergency unit, this ER. It's 24/7, but it's not really a big hospital. It's just a small little ER, right? Go in there, show the doctor. The doctor would not touch my foot whatsoever. Okay, you're a doctor. You're supposed to check your patients. Would not touch my foot. The only time he touched my foot is to touch the top to see if I had a pulse. Well, you got a good pulse. That means you got a good blood flow, and it looks good. It looks like you're doing good to it. You know, you're taking care of it the way you should. Keep it up. He goes, unless it changes. Okay, I said, but it's a little swollen right now. He goes, has it been swollen? I said, no, it just started swelling here a little while ago. All right, we're just keeping on it. Okay. That evening, me and Kid Rock, we're at the hotel room. And I went back. I lay down to take a nap because I was tired. I get up. My foot was hurting a little bit, and it was swollen more. And it was red and hot to the touch, which tells me there's something wrong. So I went to the emergency room in Mesa, Arizona this time. A real emergency room. They admitted me because the toes look really bad. Get the foot doctor in that night to look at my toes. Well, it's just at early morning, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. And he tells me, well, we're going to do MRI, we're going to do an ultrasound on your leg to make sure you got good blood flow, you know, so on. Okay, cool. He does MRI, does the ultrasound. Get good blood flow to your leg, don't have no clogged arteries or anything like that, because they wanted to make sure I didn't have no blood clots in the arteries. Came back good, but the MRI, he's like, you have, I don't know the name of the disease that happened to my bone, but it starts with an O. Okay, so I don't know it right now. But he says, it looks like you're going to end up losing not only your second toe, he goes, but the way your toes look dark with scabbing and all the dark scabbing, the blood thickening and everything in the tissue, you look like you got some dying tissue. You're going to lose 4 toes. But he wanted to do surgery the next day, and I was like, I said, I lived in Kansas for 32 years. I'd rather go see my doctor there. My doctor's there because I trust them more and I get a second opinion. So he said, okay. He released me that night. Let me go. Take my happy butt back here to Kansas. That was so good. Oh my God. And we got home about 4 o'clock here in Gardner, Kansas. We got home about 4 o'clock. And okay, in the morning we'll go straight to the urgent care because doctor there, my really good doctor there, his name's Dr. Rashid, was like, okay. He looked at my toes. He called a wound specialist for me. I love this wound specialist. And they looked at my toes and they were like, you're doing whatever you're doing right. But you might be losing that second toe, the one next to your big toe on your left foot. Okay. He goes, the other 2 toes next to it, the smaller toes, look like they're healing really good now because you can see the color of the skin, the new skin coming up. Okay. The big toe has so much damage to it too that the only thing I would be losing on that is some skin, the thickening of the skin. I said, okay, I go, as long as the infection doesn't spread, then I'll lose a foot. He said, oh no, we got this. They admitted me in the hospital. And I'm trying to do a video and you're making all this noise.
Sorry. You wouldn't give me my cake.
I don't care. I'm doing something. Jesus Christ. Now I'm going to have to learn how to fucking cut this out. Anyways. They admitted me. Got a foot doctor to come in. They had to do all the x-rays and MRIs over again. Blood work and everything to make sure it wasn't a staph infection and stuff. They wanted me to see what type of infection it was in my foot, on my toe. No, they said it's an infectious disease doctor. Guy's cool. Pretty cool doctor. Awesome. They got it done right to the T. The only toe that needed to be amputated was the toe next to the big toe on my left foot. No other one. They contained it, the infection to that toe at just the halfways down, at the tip of the toe, but they had to cut it off halfways down because just to make sure they caught it off. So now, when they admitted me, I stood there for 3 days. I was in the hospital for 3 nights. 2 days, 3 nights, something like that. And they let me have my little dog stay with me. He stood with me all the time as long as somebody came to take him out and do his thing. So Kid Rock would come in, visiting hours start in the morning, take him out to go do his thing, bring him back. And then before he left, before visiting hours was over at 8 o'clock, take him out, do his thing. And then we talked about, before they released me, doing an outpatient surgery. How to get all that set up. So they did. They let me go the 3rd day. Yeah, that evening. They discharged me and set up outpatient surgery on the 8th of July. And had it done. Was nervous and stuff. Had it done and then had my first after surgery, I keep forgetting, like post-op, whatever, visit from my doctor so he can change the bandages. I saw him. I go in the room. This nurse starts unwrapping my foot. I didn't want to look at it, so they leaned the seat back so I couldn't see it. Didn't help. I saw it. And I broke down. Because reality hits when you finally see that something you're told you're going to lose is gone. Mine is just half a toe. It's still heartbreaking. Because it's something you were born with. And to have it taken away, it was emotionally, it mostly affects you, okay? So it did. But now, when I look at it, when they do change the bandage again, when they did, it still bothers me. But not as much. Let me put my napkin right there. Disgusting. Not as much as it did before. Okay, I've been eating all this and talking too much, so let's try and dig into one of these ribs at least. Ah, here's a shrimp. Okay, rock one of the little shrimps. Back on the little shrimp. Oh, there's so much fat on this. I like beef ribs. These pork ribs have a lot of fat. The ribs are good. I guess I'm really not for ribs right now. Really for Dungeness crab. And the sausage. Ribs are really good. They just need extra barbecue sauce. So, oh my god. I'm already at 31 minutes. So let me make this quick. So anyways, I'm doing good. If I need cheering up, I gotta hang out with my girls on Instagram. I want to give a shout out to Chunky Fun because on this video she helped me do an intro and an outro using my cousin's music and part of the video of his music so that his shout out gets out on there, and I will put his description and I'll put all his stuff in the description. I have a P.O. box, I'll put that in my description, and I have Instagram, I have Facebook. I'll try to get all that in there. I have a Snapchat also, so I have a Twitter account, but I really don't do Twitter. So, and I do have a TikTok because I am going to start doing TikToks with Misery. So, but anyways, all right, dig in just a little bit more, and then I gotta go. I don't want this video being too long. This salsa verde and jasmine rice and onions, it's good. I burnt one of my eggs. I must have sank down to the bottom of the pan. But take that off. Oh, good. How do we do this? Put some of this garlic spread. Put it on there like that. Gosh, to die for. Oh my god. Water time. Alright. Another bite of this. Another. Not one of those. Cucumbers. Yellow sweet tomato. I love these sweet tomatoes. Yeah, it's so good. And I gotta have mushroom. That's the only way I'll eat my mushrooms. Other than that, I never used to like mushrooms, raw mushrooms. Not even cooked mushrooms. But I saw Sauce Queen doing them with ranch. And I used to do them with ranch. It's really good. I don't know if it's Wingstop ranch. And then I started eating it with the Catalina. I was like, because Catalina's kind of my favorite. That's so good. Really good. Okay. I'm done with this. Let me try this strawberry cake. It's in the local grocers. Price Chopper. I love strawberries. And it's like a whipped topping, so it's not a sugar topping at all. So let's try this cake. Look at that. Guess one bite. Oh my God. That's like a whipped cream topping. And then, oh, the strawberry. It is so moist and good. Try another bite. I'm telling you, that is amazing. So, hello Seagrams afterwards. All right. Well, that's it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you ain't already hit it. And join the royal family. I would appreciate it. And share. And I will have another video up hopefully Monday, not tomorrow. But I will try to see what I'm going to do for Monday. If y'all can, really don't do fast foods or anything like that, but I do. You take your choice. Should I do, not Korean? Ooh, excuse me. It's cleaned as belch. Excuse me. You guys, tell me what you want. Either Mexican, Vietnamese, what else? Oh, wait a minute. I know I can do Monday. Be even better. I think my daughter will probably like me doing it too. Not Whataburger. We don't have a Whataburger in Kansas. Oh my God, I forgot the name of the restaurant. Wahlburger. We have a Wahlburgers out here, and they got some great burgers. But I do eat my burgers without bun, so I can do that with a side of their tater tots. But we'll see. If you guys have any suggestions what I should try next, that'll be awesome. Or I can do Wingstop, you know, and all that. But anyways, everything will be in my description box and stuff. And I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and blessed. Love y'all. Queen Mary. Bye.
Now put your drinks up. If you in the club, yeah, you getting turned up. You getting turned up. If you